Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Trader Guru, where we show you how to make money in crypto. Today, very important stuff that we're going to show you on how to make money in crypto. So we're going to look at Bitcoin first and see what's going on there, because we are in a massive descending triangle. So you can see that, yeah, we basically touch and then we haven't broke it yet, but I think we may break on a downside on this side. Now, let me tell you why I think that might happen. Okay, there is some important data that you may want to take a look at, but you don't have access to it. I understand, because I pay premium fees for that. But let me show you why I think it might break to the downside. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to share a portion of my screen. Okay, and there we go. So we're looking at the previous bear market cycles. And you can see the green one is the current cycle. And we are basically at a point right here. Now, if you put a line there, you can see the previous cycles. That was the previous one, ended up dropping further down. And the one before that as well. And the one before that. So the question is, are we going to drop down from this current level here? What do you think, Austin? Are we going to break down, or are we going to, stay where we are? And that was the bottom, because some people are saying bottom has already been. What do you think about that?
Right. In all previous bear markets, you can see that the ROI has gone below the 0.3 threshold, which you just showed. Which is interesting because, you could argue that this one could go down more. And then there's some arguments that the bottom's in, right? 0.2 threshold, sorry. But yeah, I do think it's going to go down a little bit more. Personally, I think that there's a lot of things going on in the economy that are driving the Bitcoin prices down. And to put that simply, inflation is super high. We have interest rates rising at a rate higher than it's ever been in decades. And, the debt cycle is, it's not looking too good, I think. And I believe we confirmed recession.
This was the previous cycle. You had your descending triangle exactly like we have now. And what ended up happening is it did break down, and it went down to 3,100. So to say that the exact same scenario is happening, it's not going to break down, and we haven't had a capitulation candle down yet. I'm not sure about that. I think we're a very high risk. So now, if it does break down, I am looking at about, now I don't think that's where the big question is how low will it go if we break down, right? Is it going to go to, let's say, 13,000 or 12,000 or 10,000? And I don't think it will go. So my buy levels will be that I have buy orders for this price, and then I'm going buy like 16,000. I'm going to buy there, and I'm buy 14. But most of my buy orders, yes, they're going to be at the lower level of probably in the 13K range all the way down here. Yes, that's true. So if it was to drop down, I'm going to buy heavily down here. I will still buy these lower at these higher levels, but I won't buy as much as I will buy here. You see, so that when it jumps back, and I think it would do that. I'm not sure it's a V recovery. It may take a while to go back up, but it will definitely go back to that 18, 19K. And that would be a good point where you can make money. If it does, you can profit from that, 36. And if you want to sell or hold until it goes back to 29K, because I think it will revisit that. And that's 110% right there. I think that will happen at some point, which would be a nice play to make money in crypto, especially if you bought altcoins at the bottom there. So anyway, that's what I have for you today. And we have other reasons to believe as well that why it might drop beside just that one. But maybe subscribe to the channel, make sure to press notifications on, and we'll show you about that. Otherwise, go to the description, check out Pay to Trade, which is a way to pay money to trade. And then we show you inside secrets of how I make millions of dollars trading. So go and look in the description. Bye for now.